Hello, I'm Dr. Babcock of Trinity Chiropractic,
And I'm Brittany.
and today we're going to go over one of my favorite core exercises, the dead bug, and different variations of it. The dead bug is so great because it helps stabilize the spine as you move each individual arm and leg independently. So let's get started. Okay, now we're here on the mat. Now what we're going to do is before we get started with the exercises, we want to make sure that we're bracing correctly. So you want to brace yourself means like if somebody's trying to poke you in the tummy, that you tighten up your tummy. You want to make sure you breathe normally, and you want to make sure you don't arch your back too much. Okay. Once you got that down, then you want to get in the proper position. So it's arms straight up, legs, knees 90 degrees from each other. And then we want to do one joint at a time. So we're going to start with an individual leg. So you're just going to go down, tap the bottom, and come right back to the starting position. And you want to make sure you keep all the arms and the other legs completely still. When you've got that down, then you can progress to the next one, which is extending the leg without touching the ground. Good. And then the other one. Very good. And so you can go that back and forth, back and forth. Once you have that down, then you can go on to the third variation is doing one arm at a time. So you're going to bring one arm back and then up, and then the other one arm and then back. So this is engaged in the upper body with the core as well. And then we want to go on to the next one. And then, so what we're going to do is we're going to hold on to the opposite knee, and we're going to try not to lift your shoulder up too much. We want to keep that down. Sometimes you can put a block in a way or a small ball. And then what you want to do is straighten out one leg and then the opposite arm, and then back and forth, keeping the other joints still. Great. And then you can switch over to the opposite side. Excellent job. And once you got that working, things are pretty easy to do. Then you want to do it without touching your other knee. So perfect. So uh, two joints are moving, two joints are not, and they're in opposite. And this is really working that core. Very good job. So this is one set of variations. You can also as well add a weight to it. So you can hold on to a weight, a heavy ball, a weight, or something like that. So as you're holding this is tightening up your core. And then you want to go ahead and activate and move the legs. So your legs straight up and back. Very good. Excellent. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use a band. So we want to stretch. So as you're bringing this back, there's resistance to it. So this is engaging the core some more. And then we're doing the same thing with your legs. Excellent. You should be able to feel that core really fire up. And these are the progressions. If you have any questions at all, just let us know about any of these.
If you liked our video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.